Water is life, and in Burkina Faso, a bold new initiative is making waves, literally. President Ibrahim Traoré has launched a groundbreaking 145 million water conservation project, a game changer for the country's future. But what does this mean for the people of Burkina Faso? And why is this such a big deal? Let's dive in. Burkina Faso, like many parts of Africa, faces a severe water crisis. Climate change, deforestation, and desertification have made water scarcity a daily struggle for millions. Families walk miles and miles and miles just to fetch a bucket of water. But that's about to change. Captain Ibrahim Traoré, a leader with a vision, just unveiled a massive 145 million water conservation project aimed at securing clean water for all. This initiative focuses on building new dams, restoring old water reservoirs, and introducing modern irrigation systems. Talk about a real-life superhero move. So, why is this project a game changer? For starters, it will provide access to safe drinking water for millions. Farmers would have enough water to grow their crops, boosting food production and reducing hunger. And with better irrigation, Burkina Faso's economy is set to thrive. A win-win for everyone. This project is not just about people. Nature wins too. With this project, efforts to combat desertification will get a major boost. More water means more trees, more vegetation, and a healthier ecosystem. It's a step towards a greener, more sustainable Burkina Faso. The future is looking bright. With this project, Burkina Faso is proving that African nations can lead the way in tackling climate challenges. And the best part? The people are at heart of it all. President Traoré's initiative isn't just about water. It's about giving people hope, growth, and a better tomorrow. What do you think about this incredible project? Will it inspire other African leaders to take action? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring African stories. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered. Nos vemos pronto. Te quiero.